वह रोज स्कूल जाता है। He goes to school every day. He goes to school every day. क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? सूरज पूर्व से निकलता है। The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. वह अभी खाना बना रही है। She is cooking food right now. She is cooking food right now. बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे हैं। Children are playing in the park. Children are playing in the park. मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है। I have completed my work. I have completed my work. क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया है? Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast? वह सुबह से पढ़ रहा है। He has been studying since morning. He has been studying since morning. बारिश 2 घंटे से हो रही है। It has been raining for 2 hours. It has been raining for 2 hours. तुम झूठ क्यों बोलते हो? Why do you tell a lie? Why do you tell a lie? वह कल बाजार गया था। He went to the market yesterday. He went to the market yesterday. मैंने उसे नहीं देखा। I did not see him. I did not see him. क्या तुमने उसे फोन किया? Did you call him? Did you call him? वह सो रहा था जब मैं वहां पहुंचा। He was sleeping when I reached there. He was sleeping when I reached there. हम टीवी देख रहे थे। We were watching TV. We were watching TV. ट्रेन मेरे पहुंचने से पहले जा चुकी थी। The train had left before I reached. The train had left before I reached. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले मरीज मर चुका था। The patient had died before the doctor came. The patient had died before the doctor came. वह बचपन से ही शर्मीला था। He had been shy since childhood. He had been shy since childhood. क्या तुम कल वहां गए थे? Did you go there yesterday? Did you go there yesterday? उसने मुझे एक कहानी सुनाई। He told me a story. He told me a story. मैं कल दिल्ली जाऊंगा। I will go to Delhi tomorrow. I will go to Delhi tomorrow. वह मेरी मदद करेगा। He will help me. He will help me. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? हम मैच जीतेंगे। We will win the match. We will win the match. वह इस समय सो रहा होगा। He will be sleeping at this time. He will be sleeping at this time. मैं उसका इंतजार कर रहा हूँगा। I shall be waiting for him. I shall be waiting for him. क्या बारिश होगी? Will it rain? Will it rain? मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। I will never forget you. I will never forget you. शायद वह कल आएगा। He might come tomorrow. He might come tomorrow. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ। I can speak English. I can speak English. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? तुम्हें अब जाना चाहिए। You should go now. You should go now. हमें बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए। We should respect elders. We should respect elders. तुम्हें धूम्रपान छोड़ देना चाहिए। You must give up smoking. You must give up smoking. उसे यह काम करना ही चाहिए। He must do this work. He must do this work. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Could you help me? Could you help me? मुझे जाना पड़ता है। I have to go. I have to go. उसे कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। He has to work hard. He has to work hard. मुझे वहां जाना था। I had to go there. I had to go there. उसे आज रात यहाँ रुकना पड़ सकता है। He might have to stay here tonight. He might have to stay here tonight. मैं ये बक्सा नहीं उठा सकता। I cannot lift this box. I cannot lift this box. तुम्हें डॉक्टर को दिखाना चाहिए। You should consult a doctor. You should consult a doctor. क्या हम अब चलें? Shall we go now? Shall we go now? वह कार चला सकता है। He is able to drive a car. He is able to drive a car. दरवाजा बंद करो। Shut the door. Shut the door. खिड़की खोल दो। Open the window. Open the window. शोर मत मचाओ। Do not make a noise. Do not make a noise. कृपया मेरी मदद करें। Please help me. Please help me. वहां मत जाओ। Do not go there. Do not go there. अपना काम करो। Do your own work. Do your own work. उसे जाने दो। Let him go. Let him go. चलो घूमने चलते हैं। Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. इसे दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. तैयार हो जाओ। Get ready. Get ready. पंखा चालू कर दो। Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. लाइट बंद कर दो। Turn off the light. Turn off the light. मेरे पास आओ। Come to me. Come to me. सावधान रहो। Be careful. Be careful. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? वह क्यों रो रही है? Why is she crying? Why is she crying? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? ये किसका पेन है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो पास हो जाओगे। If you work hard, you will pass. If you work hard, you will pass. यदि बारिश होती है तो मैं नहीं आऊंगा। If it rains, I will not come. If it rains, I will not come. जब तक तुम नहीं आओगे, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। Until you come, I will not go. Until you come, I will not go. यद्यपि वह गरीब है, फिर भी ईमानदार है। Although he is poor, he is honest. Although he is poor, he is honest. जितना जल्दी हो सके आ जाओ। Come as soon as possible. Come as soon as possible. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? यह मेरी किताब है। This is my book. This is my book. वहाँ बहुत भीड़ है। There is a lot of crowd. There is a lot of crowd. टेबल पर एक पेन है। There is a pen on the table. There is a pen on the table. मुझे तैरना पसंद है। I like swimming. I like swimming. टूटे हुए कांच को मत छुओ। टूटे हुए कांच को मत छुओ। Thanks for watching this video.